Welcome to our channel. Today we are making OR in different languages in S7-1500. Let's start. I have three blocks. Make one data blocks of OR gates. In previous video we are done AND gate. Create a variable FBD, STL and STL, and we have one data type which one is LAN. Make it, copy it and paste it here. Then compile it. Let's drag and drop OR gate. Then give first input and second input. Then give a output here. Let's download it. Go online and same thing done here. This is the truth table. Then both input are 0, then output will be 0. When one input is high, then output will be high. Look, it's working. And in this case, and turn on first input, the output will be true. And last one is turn on both. Look, the both output is high now. OR gate in FBD is completed. Let's move to another part, is STL. Let's copy and paste. Press shift plus enter, then paste it here. Change the name OR gate. Drag and drop the tag of STL. Delete this. Drag and drop the bit 0 and bit 1. Make it OR. compile it, then download it. Let's check the table, turn on it, look the output is high. Second case, enable output to, the output will be high. Look, it OR gate is working in STL. Turn off both. Let's move to STL part. Now create new network, OR gate in STL. Now type A here and make drag and drop with 0 and write a O for OR gate plus shift plus enter, type equal to, then get 15. O is used for OR gate. Then download it. Let's test. First input is when first input is high, the output will be high. Second input is high, the output is high. The OR gate is working fine in STL also. The OR gate programming is done now on different languages. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe.